So if you are currently unemployed and spend your time searching jobs on LinkedIn, I'm sorry, but you might actually never get a job. If you still haven't realized, just look at the number of jobs you have applied and ask yourself how many of them actually got back with you. It's not because you are not good enough. It's just because most of these openings you see on LinkedIn are just ghost jobs or scammers trying to steal your data or money. So in this video, I'll discuss why you are wasting your time applying for jobs on LinkedIn, and most importantly, I'll share some of the strategies experienced people actually use to apply for jobs. First, let's talk about why applying on LinkedIn is useless. One of the most frustrating reasons is fake or ghost job postings. These are jobs posted by companies or scammers that look completely legitimate on the surface, but in reality, they are jobs posted with no intention of hiring. You won't believe me, but some of the jobs you see on LinkedIn aren't even real. But why would anyone post fake jobs? Well, first let's talk about why scammers do this. And I think they have pretty clear motives. When you apply, you're handing over personal information, your email, phone number, resume, sometimes even more. And that data can be used for their benefit. In some cases, you might be even asked to pay some kind of processing fee or interview fee to continue in the interview process, which is an immediate red flag. No real company will ever ask you to pay to get hired. And then, there are also phishing attempts. You might receive a message saying you've been shortlisted, along with a link that looks official. But once you click it, you could end up compromising your accounts or personal data. And the scary part is, when someone is desperate for a job, they will not think twice to click. If you want to know how to discover this type of job listings, we will talk about it in a bit. But the thing is, these fake jobs are not only posted by scammers, they are posted by real companies too. They do this for various reasons. First is they might be building a talent pool for future hiring, or they might be trying to present themselves as a growing company, and posting more jobs hiring is no better way to do that. Ghost jobs are the one frustrating thing about LinkedIn job listings. The next thing is high competition. Even if a job is 100% real, you're not the only one applying. Every posting easily racks up 100, sometimes thousands of applicants within 24 hours. And with the easy apply button, it takes literally seconds for someone to submit an application. That means your resume is getting buried under a pile of hundreds of others within minutes. And to make things even bad, some people are using bots to mass apply to jobs, which completely floods the system. So when you don't hear back, it's not necessarily because you're unqualified. It's because your application probably never even got seen. But with that all said, how should you actually be searching for a job? The first thing you need to stop doing is relying on easy apply as your primary strategy. It feels productive, but in reality, it rarely works in your favor. Instead, use LinkedIn the right way. Think of it as a discovery tool, not an application platform. When you find a job listing, don't apply directly through LinkedIn. Take an extra step, see which company is posting. Go to the company's official website, find their careers page, and apply from there. This not only increases your chances of being seen, but also helps you verify whether the job is actually real. But before you even apply, you need to validate that the company is real and you are not sending to some random scammer. To verify that, first check their LinkedIn profile carefully. A legitimate company usually has a detailed description, a proper website, and visible employees. If you go to the people section and find little to no employees, that's a major red flag. Doing this will make sure that your application actually gets seen by the employers, and most importantly, you are not giving your info to random person. So finally, let's talk about the most important part that most people completely ignore: applying for a job outside these listing platforms. So what you do next is stop waiting for job postings. Instead, make a list of companies you actually want to work for, whether they are local or international. Then reach out to them directly. Send a well-written email expressing your interest, your skills, and how you can add value to their team. You might be thinking, why would a company respond if they're not hiring? Because hiring doesn't always happen publicly. Sometimes companies need someone but haven't posted a job yet. Sometimes they are open to opportunities but just not actively looking. And sometimes, you just get lucky by being in the right inbox at the right time. This approach is called cold emailing, and it works more often than you'd expect. In fact, this is how I got my first job. If you want a complete guide on cold emailing, join my Discord server. The link is in comments. Go to the resources channel and download a guide to land your next job. So to summarize everything, LinkedIn job listings aren't completely useless. The way you use it makes the difference. If you rely only on easy apply, you're competing in the noisiest, most crowded part of the job market. But if you use LinkedIn as a tool to discover opportunities, verify companies, and then take action outside the platform, you immediately put yourself ahead of the majority. And if you really want to stand out, stop waiting for opportunities to be posted and start creating your own. I dropped everything I know about searching for a job, and if I missed something, or if you have something to add, drop it in the comments. Also, make sure to check out the cold emailing guide. That's it for this video. If this was helpful, make sure to show some love, and I'll see you guys in the next one.